Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. We are back with another video. In this video, as you all know, we have started the course of practical learning Python for especially cybersecurity. So in this video, this is our lesson 2 of that series. And in this video, I will tell you about operators in Python. This is very basic things and let's start without wasting our time. First, we need to open our Kali Linux virtual machine, and now we need to type where we have that PyCharm. As if you don't know what is PyCharm, you can go and watch my video on PyCharm. So let me start it. Okay, we are going to start PyCharm. Okay, it will now open PyCharm in Kali Linux virtual machine, and in this video I will tell you about the basics, and this is our lesson 2, and the first topic will be assignment operators in Pythons. What are assignment operators in Python? Let me tell you. Here you can see that we have successfully opened uh, PyCharm. So let's come here. As you know, what is assignment operators? We will talk about assignment operators. So here comes the point. You need to understand when we add this, it means that this same as it is. Where you have seen this, it means this. Let's say we have x whose value is 5. Whenever we use this along with x, then its value will be 5. The second thing will be if you use, like, if x is equal to 5, then x plus is equal to x plus 5. Addition of plus means that it would be same as on other side, and same is the case with negative. X negative is equal to x minus 5. You will not understand, just do it practically. Here comes the point. We have the value of x, which is 20, and we want to see the value, like if we print x, then we will see that we have that value, which is 20. Okay, it is showing that 20. Now, as I told you, that if x plus is equal to 5, what does it means? Now if you print x, it will give you the value, which is 20 plus 5, which is 25. Click on this, and here you can see that we got 25. Okay, next step will be if we put x minus and equal to 5. What does it means? It is equal to, if we print x, it will show us 20 minus 5, which will be 15. Let me show you. 20 minus 5. Sorry, we are getting according to this position, this format. So we got 25, as we get 25 earlier. Now we got 20. Okay, so let me do it again for you. As you know, we have x is equal to 20. If we print it, then we will get, obviously we will get 20. Now I am going to show you negative part. X minus is equal to 5. Now if we print x now, then what we will get, we will definitely get 15. Here you can see that we got 15. I hope so you are getting my point. Okay, so x, let me show you again, x plus x plus this is equal to, this is equal to x, this is equal to this. Okay, these both things are equal to each other. This is the point I am trying to make. Here comes another point. X minus is equal to 5. This is equal to x is equal to x minus 5. Okay, you need to understand this. Where you seen this, it means it is equal to this, and if you have seen this, it means it is equal to this. So these are three assignment operators in Python learning. I hope so you understand my point. Next thing will be, next thing we have, here you can see that we have comparison operator. Comparison operators, these will help you to understand the more basics of the Python. So let's start without wasting our time. As you all know, I will give you some values. I will also add these values in the description so that you can practice it by your own. So let me tell you some formulas. X is equal to, let me show you with example. Let's suppose we have x is equal to 20 and we have y which is equal to the 15. Okay, so now here comes the comparison. Whenever you see x is equal to y, what does it means? It means that it is saying that x is equal to y. As you all know, we have 20 which is value of x and we have 15 which is value of y. So this is not true. Let us practically see that if this is not true, we need to print x is equal to y. Okay, so we will see, it will tell us whether it's true or not. Click on this. Here you can see that we have got one, this is saying that this is false, as x is not equal to y. These two equals is basically, in simple terms, this is used for equal sign. Okay, so we have got false. Let me show you another command. It means x is not equal to y. Okay, x is not equal to y, as I just replaced one thing. Click on this, run, and here you will see that we got true. As we all know, x is 20, y is 15, so x is not equal to y. So this is basically used for not equal, and this is basically used for equal sign. Okay, sorry, this is basically used for equal sign. I hope so you are getting my point. This is equal sign, and I am mentioning which is not, which is, this is for not equal sign. Okay, so here comes the next point. What is next point? Let me show you next point. If you think that, let me ask you whether x is greater than y or y is greater than x. As we all know, x is 20, y is 15, so definitely x is greater than y. So what we will do, we will add this value, we will add this value. Here you can see that we have added this value. Okay, so according to you, is it true which I have mentioned, x is greater than y? Obviously. So we will run and see the result, whether they are saying it right or wrong. Okay, let me run this, and here you can see that we have got this value which is true. Let me replace this value. let me replace this value and put it reverse. X is smaller than y. As you all know, this is a lie because x value of x is 20 and value of y 15. So this is not true. So let me put it into practice. Click on run and you will get false. You will get the option of false. Okay. So these are some, you can say, comparison operators. You have no need to put yourself in complex things. Just practice these things which I am showing you. It will help you in a long run, inshallah. So next step will be, we will see, if you don't know about print command, go and watch my first video, lecture 1, and you will see that how I explained how to use print command. So if you want, like, x is greater than and equal to y, what does it mean? It is saying that x is greater than or equal to y. Okay, this is true, x is greater than y. So if we run this test, we will see it will show us true, obviously. And if we put this again, in a reverse manner, x is smaller or equal than y. Let me put this test, and this is saying that this is false. Okay, so I hope so you are getting my point. We have discussed about two types of operator. Number one is assignment operators, number two is comparison operators. In comparison operator, we have seen that how we can put these values for equal sign, for not equal sign, for greater sign, for a lesser sign, for greater or equal sign, for lesser or equal sign. And in the assignment operators, we have seen that how we can put the value of x if we want to addition, and what alternatives we can use in Python language. I hope so things are clear now. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment section. No need to worry about this. I will also add these commands in the description. What you need to do, just do some practice. Once you practice it 3 times or 4 times or 5 times, you will, like, it will be on your fingertips. You will never forget about these keys. And right now, you like, you can be thinking about that this will not help you in a long run, but I assure you this will help you in a long run in learning Python in the upcoming lecture. So see you soon in the next video. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you have any suggestions, do your suggestion in comment box. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button. See you soon. Bye bye.